Firefighter, after our Valley Bureau refresher brought this up at one of our CERT classes, a lot of us know where we're going to go and we don't need to use navigation apps, Waze or Google Maps or Apple Maps. But these oftentimes have traffic reports. They know about an accident that you don't know about. And he was saying that five out of the six firefighters leaving the refresher used Waze to get back to their home. The sixth firefighter discovered there was a massive accident and a 2-hour backup that the other five firefighters didn't have to deal with. I was driving back from Vegas once, and my navigation system told me to take the side street that goes along the freeway. And I thought this is weird, but I took it. And for several miles, a good chunk of time, I was traveling the same speed as the freeway until it came to a halt, and I kept going. So these apps are a great feature. Now, they're not perfect. They don't know in real time that an accident has occurred, but they could know about an accident that you don't know about and route you around that and save you a significant amount of time and hardship.